everybody, it is Karen with Are You Prepared Mama, and today I'm going to show you how I make muffins in my homemade Herc oven. So this is my Herc oven. It is an old toaster oven that I have taken and converted, and I'm going to do a video on how I converted it into a Herc oven. But basically, it is a tea light oven. And so in here, you'll see that we have a thermometer going, and this is telling me that it is at 350 degrees. And right now there are only 10 tea lights going in this oven, and we're at 350 degrees. So I'm going to make up some muffins and we are going to stick them in. Okay, so today we're just gonna make up some generic muffin mix that I picked up at Aldi, but I'm gonna bake it in the Herc oven. So I've got my muffin mix, and it takes 1/3 cup of milk. We use almond milk, and it takes 1 egg. So I'm going to get an egg, crack it in there, and let's get this stirred up. Okay, it is mixed up. It's at a good consistency. Now, I have picked up enamel bakeware at a couple of different places, but I like the 6-hole muffin tin because I knew I could use it in a toaster oven or Herc oven. So that works really well for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and spray the muffin liners with a nonstick oil, and then we're going to pour the cornbread batter in. All right, now I'm just trying to make sure that each of the muffin tins has equal amounts, and it's looking good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take it and we're going to put it in the Herc oven. Okay, so I've got my muffins. I'm going to place them in my Herc oven, and we're going to let them go for as long as they need to. I need to check the box, but they are now baking, and I'll show you what they look like when they come out. All right, everybody, these are the cornbread muffins after they are done. It did take about an extra 10 minutes for them to be completely cooked through, but they are now cooked through, and we are going to start enjoying them. All right, everybody, here are our cornbread muffins. They are really good. They're cooked really well. They are moist, but they are not underdone. So the Herc oven works really well for cooking those muffins. So remember, when you need a way to cook and you don't have any electricity, but you want to bake something, remember, you got this, Mama.